Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in the beautiful city of Valencia, Spain, and we're about to explore it in one of the best ways possible, on two wheels. Valencia is one of the most bike-friendly cities in Europe, and there's so much to see, from stunning parks to futuristic architecture. So let's grab our helmets and hit the road on this biking tour of Valencia. The first stop is one of the most iconic landmarks in Valencia, the City of Arts and Sciences. This futuristic complex, designed by Santiago Calatrava, is a must-see. The architecture here is out of this world, with structures look like they're straight out of a science fiction movie. On a bike, it's a great way to get up and close to these incredible buildings. Right next door is the Turia Gardens, a beautiful park that runs through the heart of the city. Originally the bed of the Turia River, this green oasis stretches for over 9 kilometers and is one of the largest urban parks in Spain. It's perfect for cycling, jogging, or just enjoying a peaceful walk under the shade of the trees. If you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. Valencia is the birthplace of paella, and you can't visit without trying this iconic dish. Head to the Central Market, one of the oldest and largest markets in Europe, where you'll find fresh produce, seafood, and all the ingredients you need to make the perfect paella. And of course, there are plenty of restaurants here that serve up a delicious, authentic version of the dish. From the futuristic architecture to the historic landmarks, the beautiful parks to the incredible food, Valencia has it all. This city blends perfectly with old and new, creating a vibrant atmosphere that's both modern and full of tradition. It's one of those places you can't help but fall in love with. That's it for today's tour of Valencia. I hope you enjoyed getting to know this amazing city as much as I did. If you're ever planning a trip to Spain, make sure Valencia is on your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Let me know in the comments, have you been to Valencia, or is it on your bucket list? I can't recommend this Do You Bike Rentals tour enough. It was one of my favorite excursions I've ever done, and seeing all of Valencia on a bike was a great experience. Our tour guide, Ali, was absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much. We got plenty for you, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.